Okay, so here's where things are going to get really fun. We are now actually going to make our first problem. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do $a equals 7, and I'm going to make another variable. I'll call it $b, and I'm going to make that equal 9. Okay, now for our problem here, let's get rid of this find the limit for a minute. Boop. Let's just go to, let's just down here, let's make it say, find the, well, let's make it capital, find the sum, colon. Now, I'm going to go down a line and I'm going to say, I want, oh, and you'll notice if you're in, let's see here. Yeah, when you're in the equation editor, you get this box. If you're not in the equation editor, all this go away. If you're just in the regular editor here, when you do these little ticks to make math, they just appear. You don't get the little box. Okay, so I'm going to do find the sum of $a plus $b. And I close that off. And the other thing I like about being in this version of the editor is notice my variables become blue, so I can kind of see, oh, there's the variables I'm talking about. So quick save and preview. So find the sum of 7 plus 9. Okay, well, do we know what that answer should be? Yes, we do. All right, so the first thing is we want an answer box. We want somewhere for the student to type in their answer. So what we're going to do is we're going down another line. I'm going to do $ answer box. And now the system knows, put an answer box there. Well, except it did go down a line. We'll get to that in a second. And then here, we need to give it an answer. So up in the comma control, the area where we do our code, we're going to say our answer. Notice it turns green because this is a predefined variable. It says, if you're going to have a problem and it's going to have an answer, you have to call it this. So that way the system knows what to check it against. And I'm going to literally type in 7 plus 9. Okay, or actually, let's not. Let's do $a plus $b. Okay, so now if I do that, show answer, 7 plus 9 is 16. If I type in 16 and hit submit, you'll see green checkbox. If we type in something other than 16, we get not green checkbox. Okay, so now we kind of have an idea how to make an answer. So now, the issue you might be saying is, why didn't this go down a line? Why is this all in the same line? Well, because I'm in the not the full like visual version of it. I'm in the kind of like the text version of it. So I'm going to use a little HTML code, which is I want a line break. So I'm going to do a less than symbol, BR, close it. That means line break. So now when I do it, there we go, dropped it down a line. So I also want this to go down a line, or if I want it to be equal to, you'll notice now it would look like that. But I want it to go down a line. I want it to go below. BR, so another break. And there we go. So there we go. We got our first problem. Okay. So in the next video, we're going to talk about how to make some randomization so it's not always 7 plus 9.